How to disable fast startup in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn off this power setting to fix shutdown or driver-related issues. First, click on the Start menu and open Control Panel. After that, click on Hardware and Sound. From there, click on Power Options. At this point, click on Choose what the power buttons do, found on the left side of the window. In the next step, click on Change settings that are currently unavailable, near the top. Following this unlocks the shutdown settings section below, since it's usually grayed out by default. Once done, scroll down and look for Turn on Fast Startup, listed under Shutdown Settings. From here, uncheck the box next to it. At this stage, click Save Changes at the bottom to apply the setting. Keep in mind, disabling fast startup may slightly increase your boot time, but it can help resolve issues with dual booting, driver conflicts, or devices not detecting properly after shutdown. Finally, restart your computer to make sure the change takes full effect. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable fast startup in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.